Hello students, I am your English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. Today I am going to proceed your chapter Getting Future Ready. This is the second part of this chapter. The second part is a ticket to space. A ticket to space. Students, here is space. Space means Antariksh. Are you an avid reader of space fiction? Avid means curious. The chapter's passage starts from this line that the writer wants to tell us about our curiousness to read as a reader of space fiction. Have you ever envied astronauts or wished to travel in space? He says that some people have jealousy to see those astronauts who travel in space because they have no chance to travel there. So they only wish to travel in space. Your space dreams and intergalactic fantasies may soon come true. Intergalactic fantasies means imaginary travels between galaxies. Here group of stars is galaxies, and the author says that the youngsters has a great dream, great imagination to travel between galaxies, and we also hope that it may soon come true in your life. Humans have always been fascinated by outer space, and this is the quality of human beings, to fascinate, to attract by outer space. Travel into space has been limited to astronauts, and private space travel for pleasure was unheard of until now. And it is also only for the astronauts to travel into the space, and that is also limited. And for the general peoples to travel in the space, it is only for pleasure and unheard until now. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं कि सिर्फ हमारे लिए अभी एक सुनने वाली चीज़ है, क्योंकि अभी हमारे लिए इसको एक्सपीरियंस करना, इसको देखना, इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू ऑल द कॉमन पीपल. In December 1990, Japanese TV journalist Tohiro Akiyama went into space as part of the first commercial space flight. This is the time of 1990 month of December when Japanese TV journalist Tohiro Akiyama was the first man who traveled in space with the commercial space flight. He gave live reports for a week from the Mir Space Station, and he had stayed at a Mir Space Station, and from the station this journalist was reporting for a week. However, the first amateur to pay for a flight into space was Dennis Tito, a US engineer and businessman. After this astronaut, when we talk about a private person, this was a US engineer. This was a US engineer and businessman who was a very fond person. Amateur means शौकीन व्यक्ति, fond man, जो काफ़ी शौकीन व्यक्ति था, and he paid for a flight to travel into space. His name was Dennis Tito. He became the first space tourist or citizen explorer by visiting the International Space Station ISS for 7 days in 2012, and he made a new record to visit the space, and he became a first tourist or citizen explorer. Explorer means to observe anything very closely. This word is known as explorer. He became the first space tourist, or you can say citizen explorer, to visit the International Space Station, that is in briefly known as ISS, for 7 days. It was the time of 2001. Between 2001 and 2009, 6 more people bought a passage to space. After that, many people began to think about this plan, and they decided to travel the space. So 6 more people also bought a passage to visit, to travel in space. One of them, Charles Simonyi, even went twice. Among those 6 people, there was a citizen named Charles Simonyi. This was the man who repeated his travel, and he went 2 times. Between 2003 and 2004, 2 individuals breached means किसी चीज़ को क्रॉस करना, मीन्स टू क्रॉस अ लिमिट. यू कैन सी इन हिंदी उल्लंघन करना, टू क्रॉस द लिमिट. इंडिविजुअल्स मीन्स पर्सन, जो चीज़ पर्सनल बातों के लिए, एक व्यक्ति के लिए हो, वहाँ बोलते हैं इंडिविजुअल्स. फॉर अ सिंगल मैन, फॉर पर्सनल मैटर, फॉर योर सेल्फ. 2 individuals breached the Earth's atmosphere. This was the time of 2003. Between 2003 and 4, 2 persons crossed the limit of the Earth's atmosphere and entered outer space. And they entered in the outer space and in an experimental spacecraft. By the spacecraft, they entered the outer space of Earth atmosphere. Several space tourism companies have been formed since then. और उसके बाद से बहुत सी ऐसी टूरिस्ट कंपनियां हुई जिन्होंने अपनी इस पैकेज को बनाना शुरू की, जिसमें स्पेस टूरिज्म पैकेज को नाम दिया गया. ओके. With an aim to facilitate private space exploration for a hefty fee. And they were making this plan not in a very short, in a very light fee. They were also taking very hefty, very large money, good money, handsome money, you can say very handsome money, to provide this facility. Civilian space program offering zero gravity space flights and short duration spacewalks are already being offered. By and by, many civilian space programs began to offer under the zero gravity space flights, and the duration was also very short spacewalk, and already it being offered for the all civilians. This was the matter that spreaded happiness, pleasure for those people who are extremely curious to travel in space, because many companies, many agencies began to offer such type of program to take handsome money. Perhaps by the time you grow up, space planes may become as common as buses, and a trip to Mars may become quite affordable. Student, it is said here in the last passage of this portion that, and it is also imagined and expect that in the coming days, in the future, when you grow up, there will be many space planes, and these space planes may be so common like the bus, like the cars. And the trip to Mars, you know, Mangal Grah, trip to Mars become also quite affordable. Means it will be very easy. Anybody could visit Mars without any problem. Every advantage and such type of offer will be present in the coming days, in the future time. That will be very unique and very incredible to all of us. You may even be able to fly to the moon and back for a holiday. And this line is also very imaginary lines for us, for the new generations, that the technologies will provide us so many facilities that the people The youngsters will be able to fly to the moon, and they can spend a holiday to stay in space. How beautiful to listen it, how nice this statement. And student, we also wish best of luck to all of you, that such type of days will come in your time very soon. Now, with all these wishes, this very short portion or ticket to space has been completed. Now, on the basis of this video, you will revise it, your chapter, and after that you will be able to clear all the concept. Till then, for the next days, we will start the exercise of this chapter, and I hope to do the exercise you will revise your chapter very attentively, so that all the options will be clear and you will not get any problem during completing the exercise. Okay, now this is the last moment of this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day, everyone.